Experiencing silent message alerts on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max lock screen? Let's check the initial settings. First, ensure Allow Notifications is enabled for the Messages app by going to Settings, Notifications, Messages. Then, verify that Sounds is toggled on within the Messages notification settings. Critically, check if Do Not Disturb or any focus modes are active, as these can silence alerts. Also, confirm that the ringer switch isn't muted and that your volume is at an audible level. Finally, restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. If basic checks didn't resolve the silent message alerts, try these advanced solutions. First, within the Messages notification settings, ensure lock screen alerts are permitted. iOS updates can reset app permissions, so double-check this. Second, if you recently updated to iOS 18 or later, a quirk might mute sounds. Toggle Sounds off, then on in Messages settings, and restart your iPhone. Third, if problems persist, reset all settings through Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This won't erase your data, but reverts settings to default. Finally, as a last resort, ensure your iOS version is up to date. Apple releases updates with bug fixes for notification handling.